Will Aryan Khan get bail or jail was the question on everyone's mind today as the Star Kids plea came up for hearing at the Bombay High Court. For all the deets from the courtroom to these alleged drug chats, we've got it all, so stay tuned. As if all the plot twists, sensational allegations and incriminating deeds weren't enough, more drama unfolded at the courtroom today as Aryan Khan's bail plea came up for hearing. RB's got word that Justice Sambre, presiding over the matter in the Bombay High Court, refused to begin the hearing till the COVID-19 protocols were followed. Besides denying any link to all the drama unfolding on the sidelines of this case, Aryan through his counsel also stated that WhatsApp chats dated 2018, 19 and 2020 had no connection with the cruise case. Besides Aryan Khan's bail plea, everyone on and off social media has been buzzing after photos of the NCP chief Sameer Wankhede with absconding witness KP Gosavi. The photos that were splashed across major news portals have already given rise to speculation that there may be something more to those extortion allegations after all. You know what they say, there's no smoke without fire. It's another day and another new scandal brewing, especially after these chats between Aryan and Ananya Pandey became top headlines today. The WhatsApp chats apparently had the two discussing about procuring weed. Another chat that has been doing the rounds even has Aryan discussing a cocaine plan with two others, besides talking about buying and placing a bulk order worth 80,000 rupees for weed. Head over to eTimes and see all the chats for yourself and decide if they were indeed drug chats or just bad screenplay. Flying in with the latest updates from film sets, RBs tell us that the sets of the MX Player show Ashram 3 was vandalized in Bhopal and protesters even threw ink on the director Prakash Jha. The protesters, who was subsequently identified as members of the local Bajrang Dal party, were allegedly heard yelling Bobby Deol Murdabad and Prakash Jha Murdabad while demanding Bobby Deol kahan hai and also raising objections over the name of the series. Meanwhile, with films ready to hit the big screen this November, Salman Khan and John Abraham, who are scheduled to clash at the box office, packed on some bromance. While Sallu wished John and team the best for the action-packed film Satyamev Jayate 2, John returned the greeting by saying, "Thank you Salman Khan, means a lot coming from you. Wish you and Ayush all the very best for Antim." Those in for some romance were treated to the first glimpses of Tara Sutaria and Ahan Shetty from their upcoming film Tadap. The makers dropped the teaser ahead of the grand trailer launch on Wednesday. Well, that's all for today. We'll be back with lots more tomorrow.